for today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beatrice here with another tutorial for making an heirloom blanket. You're going to need some supplies, and here I have a Super Saver Red Heart yarn, and the weight is medium 4, and the crochet suggestion is a 5.5 millimeter, which I have here. You'll need a pair of scissors and a darning needle. So let's get started. What you want to do for the first stitch is your foundation stitch. So just take your yarn, cross it over, insert your hook, pull tight. Now for this tutorial, I'm only going to chain 16. If you want the size of the blanket that I made, or that I'm in the process of making, you will need to chain 164 stitches wide. And from there it can be as long as you would like. So let's start making our chain. 1, 2, 16. So this is the first row of our stitch. Now what we're going to do is count over 4. So that's 1. Count this one as the 1. This one right here. This one. So this is 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through for a single crochet, and then we're gonna chain 1. Okay? Skip the next stitch, go into the next stitch after that, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1. Skip a stitch, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to chain 1. Skip 1 into the next stitch, pull through, chain 1. Skip, insert, skip, insert, skip, and insert. Chain 1, turn our. Now we turn our work. Right here in this first chain, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? Skip this one, go into the next one, pull through, chain 1. We're skipping this one and going into the next one. Pull through 2, chain 1. Skip this one, go into the following one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over 2, stitch 1. Skip, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, and chain 1. Skip this one, go into the next one, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over 2, chain 1. Okay, now we're at the end. We're going to go into this last stitch here, this one here. Insert your hook, pull through twice, chain stitch, and turn your work. Okay? We're going to go into this stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over 2, single crochet. We're going to be skipping this one, going into the next one. Insert your hook, pull through, chain 1. Skip, and then the next one. Skip, next one. Skip, next one. Chain 1. Skip, and then we're going to put our stitch in this last one at the end. Pull through and chain 1. So basically you're going to make the length that you would like to have it. And from this point, you can keep going until your blanket is as long as you would like. So I will meet you in the next video where we will talk about different appliques that I've added to the blanket. See you in the next video.